The Section 9 balancing act, tradition and innovation in perfect harmony. Mercedes-Benz has a rich history of innovation, yet it remains deeply rooted in its tradition of quality and craftsmanship. The brand has always been at the forefront of automotive technology, from its early pioneering work on safety features to its current leadership in electric vehicles and autonomous driving. However, Mercedes-Benz never forgets its heritage. The brand's classic design cues, such as the iconic grille and the three-pointed star emblem, are instantly recognizable and evoke a sense of timeless elegance. Mercedes-Benz manages to strike a delicate balance between tradition and innovation, creating vehicles that are both cutting-edge and timeless. This ability to blend the old with the new is what sets Mercedes-Benz apart from its competitors. Section 10. Looking ahead. The future of Mercedes-Benz. The automotive industry is on the cusp of a major transformation, with electric vehicles, autonomous driving, and connected car technology poised to revolutionize the way we drive. Mercedes-Benz is well positioned to lead this transformation. The brand's heavy investment in electric vehicle technology, its expertise in autonomous driving systems, and its commitment to creating a seamless connected car experience are all indicators that Mercedes-Benz is shaping the future of mobility. Mercedes-Benz understands that the future of mobility is not just about technology, it's about creating a holistic and sustainable transportation ecosystem. The brand is exploring new business models such as ride-sharing and mobility services to meet the evolving needs of its customers.